Hey folks, so I showed you the simple raking of this exact same buddy master lock, but here's another thing. It's the same tensioner in the bottom, just overcoming, oh bloody hell phone, just overcome that bit of spring tension. Now this here, this is a medium hook. It's meant for manipulating single pins at a time. This, however, is shove it in, just pull back, zips straight open. Again, don't get these freaking locks if you want to lock up anything valuable. Alrighty, have we going? Lock, do it again just for fun. Put it in. Easy. Probably easier than raking it, honestly. Terrible locks.